and it's not crimped at all. And what I need some is crystal clear. That's a bigger size crystal clear, super clears, no bubbles at all. It's like it's completely, when it's set, is clear. So now I'm gonna pick just a little bit of crystal clears first. Hold on. In the meantime, I don't want to miss it. What we're gonna do is no wipe top coat, because I was busy doing the other ones and I forgot that I need to do top coat here, just top coat. So now you can do it without top coat. So a lot of you will say that great doing without top coat. You know, I think it's a great tip and trick as well. However, for a lot of beginners, you need some more time to manipulating your powder, your beads, definitely I would suggest doing is no white top coat and keep for 30 seconds. So therefore, it will protecting your foil from dissolving, because if you don't put it on, it's gonna the monomers will eat all your foil off, and then you'll get zero left, or maybe blotchy of all the foil, so it's not gonna save it there. So top coat it first and keep for 30 seconds or 60 seconds. And now I'm go ahead and submerging my bristle into the monomer and pick up just a little bit of the clear powder. It just is gonna really smaller beads. And we're going to do it right here. Okay, I'm going to just doing right just above of the edges of the foil that I just finished the design, and blend it well. You can go ahead and get a rose nude, which is a color I'm using it shortly on its right way, but it's nice to have a little clears on it to help blend the rose nude so much better. So now submerging, wipe up the brush really nice and clean to remove all the excess powder. Pick up rose nudes, which is on my sides. I know as you Facebook and Instagram can see. Yeah. So well, here.
Yes. Bring it down just a bit. There you go.
Okay. Place it right above of the image of the foil. Wipe off the brush really good and quick, and I would suggest doing a smaller bead. You can definitely do one bead for my cuticles. Suggest to make it really a nice and less stressed and frustrated. I would do a smaller bead. 2 smaller beads will go a long way. And then using the belly of your bristle, just a belly. If you're seeing it on the sides, I turn this way. It looks like I'm using the tip of it like this, right? But actually I am using the whole body of it. So when it had the bodies of the bristle and the belly of it, it will help. It's pretty much to spread it out, the pressures evenly. So then that's why you don't feel strokes when you're blending your ombre. And then after that, you're happy with the ombre part, you are going to clean the brush and remove all the excess powder, submerging the brush back into the monomers, and then pick more powders. And now you're gonna place it like just a little bit ahead from the cuticles, okay? And then using the tip of your bristle and tuck it in. Wipe off the bristles. Clean it, submerging back into the monomer. And using the belly of your bristle again to blend the first bead and the second bead together. Really gentle. You don't have to go aggressive, because if you're aggressive, you are going to pull all of the powder away from the spot that you want to apply. Gently blend it. Now you can see from the sides of how they blended the first bead and the second bead together. And now you can go back if you need to, some spot you feel you're missing, you can add it on, but actually it's not worry about it, because your crystal clear, that's how your crystal clear is gonna come in and will cap everything. So the purpose of it clear, a lot of you will like, oh, I don't want to cap clear. We cap clear because this part doesn't have any powder yet, so when I capped it, so then get it all balanced on the nails. And plus that, when you are filing and shipping, it will not, you are not going to take off this part, because this part is a beautiful, the most beautiful for the ombre part. So you don't want to take the ombre part away. You want to choose like save it and seal it with the crystal clear. So same thing with the crystal clear. You are going to cap it right here where is your ombre connection is, using the belly of your bristle, and then like pat it really gentle. And then a lot of you would like to cap on the cuticle area. Absolutely, you can, just really thin beads, smaller beads. So then you can able to cap in a cuticle area, just in case you're heavy-handed when you are working on it. So there's a lot of different techniques for the ombre. Let me know. I would love to hear from a different technique from all of you. This is one of the way after is so many way that can ombre is so much easier. And this is one of the techniques that I really love and I really want to share with you, because that is helped my ombre is so much easier, and I enjoy it so much without frustrated and then without feeling, oh my god, is I want ombre but it doesn't look ombre. It looks like a two separate line. You want the ombre to flow together and then blend together. So now the tip is got really seals well, and then you can get a little bit of a crystal clear and protecting the cuticle area, just in case you are going to shape and filing. This is great for beginners, and that way it helps you feeling so much better from worry about is like taking too much the cuticle area off. So again, really gentle with this. You don't have to go as aggressive. Most of us, like, that's what common mistakes when I make it when I first start to with the acrylics. What I do is like, oh my god, you chasing the powder, the beads, instead of you are controlling it. You're supposed to be the one to control, because then we'll put it in here and it's run everywhere, and then you start pat 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 like right here. So oh my god, it's setting. So what you do this motion like this, you just like really it kind of is not helping it, but it's mess it up, and it's what it does. It's just going flatten. And then both of this edges right here on the side, it start getting so bulky because you pat it so much to the point that you get nowhere to go. Instead of going straight down, and it's going on the side to make both of the sides so bulky. So that's why if you are seeing it, the nails that, you know, you feel like, oh my god, why my nails, I did it so good. I did the powder so good, so well, and then why my on the both sides is still really bulky. It looks like after you seeing all over the picture, they're so bulky on the side, it just feel like something is not right and you can do it better. So that's exactly the same what had happened to me. And then so that's why when you seeing that how I did, I just taper both on the side to the center of the nails, and then keep it really nice and less bulky, and it's still building the structure of the nails really good and strong. Even either you're doing a short nail or long nails, it will make it really nice precise shape for you. So let this beauty dry, and then we can put some crystal on it. Okay, well, I mean shape it too, so let it dry. But I have another one right here for you already, and then we can do that. So let's move that one, and I have 1,000 of videos there is showing really detailed step by step. So when you have, if you feel like this is techniques will help a lot, let me know. If you want to see more of this, you know, ombre with different, we can do ombre with encapsulate with foil, glitter, with anything else. So I'm gonna clean my brush really well and shape it back into where it's around the zip, because this is a belly will be really a key to ombre your or any others of the techniques you do with liquid and powder. So I'm go ahead and close the lid and then put this down, so then all the air flows and it will not strap all the moist in there, because the cap. And it's all like closed cap and the others. So I'm gonna close this. I love these colors from the Dare to Bear collection, Rose Nude. I have it on my nails. And then also beige color is good too, and earthly, that's those colors really the bomb.com. So I'm gonna move this one on the sides and we'll start doing some crystal placement. So let me know if this technique is help. If not help, let me know. We'll find some other way. But this way it's helped so much with mine, and I can do the ombre so fast, so quick, so easy. No frustrated. I was used to be really scared. The clients come in, ombre? What you mean ombre? So you're missing opportunity out from like the clients doing an ombre. You know what? This is two techniques though. So then you kind of getting really cool of the